Do you need to close your business, but not sure what the proper procedures will be to do that? Do you want to make sure that any debt that the business has doesn't come back to haunt you personally? Are you concerned about your employees or contractors and how they're going to react and how you need to notify them? Well, welcome to my course, How to Close Your Business. As a bankruptcy attorney for over 24 years, I see things in reverse because when people get to me, things have already gone badly. I created this course because I get so many requests from folks who want to hire me and my firm to help walk them through this process. But honestly, I don't have time to help everybody that comes to me for that. And a lot of folks don't have the money to pay a law firm on an hourly basis to do that. So I created this course to help you go step by step in closing your business and hopefully allowing you to move forward in your new business venture without worrying about this one coming back to haunt you.